Assalamu alaikum dear friends, Suhoor here. I hope you all are doing good out there. So, I'm going to Ramadan Tent. Today is 4th Ramadan. I must say day 4 Ramadan Tent, Education City. As the blessed month of Ramadan continues, day 4 at the Ramadan Tent in Education City was a journey of reflection, positivity and nourishment. The evening was filled with insightful discussions about the power of staying positive and the importance of eating healthy food during fasting. The session began with a reminder that positivity is not just an attitude but a way of life. In Ramadan, our minds and hearts are tested, and embracing optimism can transform our spiritual and personal growth. We were encouraged to focus on staying positive, avoid negativity, and surround ourselves with good company. Speakers shared how a positive mindset strengthens faith, enhances patience, and brings peace to the soul. Alongside spiritual well-being, we also learn about the impact of healthy eating. Fasting is not just about abstaining from food, but also about nourishing our bodies wisely. Experts highlighted the benefits of consuming nutrient foods, staying hydrated, and choosing balanced meals for Suhoor and Iftar. The emphasis was on moderation, avoiding processed foods, excessive sugars, and heavy fried items that can lead to poor health or sluggishness. Instead, dates, fruits, whole grains, and proteins were recommended to sustain energy levels throughout the day. As the call to Maghrib prayer echoed, attendees broke their fast with a renewed sense of mindfulness, appreciating the blessings of food in the company of fellow community members. The Ramadan Tent at Education City continues to be a place of learning, connection, and spiritual enrichment. As we move forward, may we carry these lessons of positivity and healthy living into our daily lives, making this Ramadan a truly transformative experience. Really, I'm having a great time over here, and during this time, whatever supplication is done, it is accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So guys, I take a leave. Enjoy the video, and may Allah bless Muslims, and may Allah fulfill our dreams, our wishes. So, take care. Allah Hafiz.